These are my Ghungroos. Every classical dancer is blessed with a pair of Ghungroos. So before you actually acquire them, make sure that you have a wonderful, beautiful, comfortable bag for them. The reason being is, it's almost like a blessing to have a pair of Ghungroos. So the respect or the attention that they deserve should be given to them. Many a times when people come to join a Kathak class, they come with Ghungroos that are not suitable for Kathak. These are the ideal ones, made out of metal, and they have been weaved on a string, a cotton string. There is a special way, a special technique of weaving them. What we do is, or rather what I do is, I put my leg in a position here that is aligning my ankle and my knees. I put one end here, tied nice and tight so that it doesn't go loose. And normally, under my own leggings, I would probably wear something like a kneecap so that it keeps it cushions and my skin doesn't get grazed. I think that's the best way to. It's very important to protect your skin as well because this is heavy, made out of metal. Many people can have tougher skins. Unfortunately, I don't. So I normally wear some padding down there. You take it round in circles. And yes, we're almost there. Tying your Ghungroos is almost like spending time with yourself. Before you actually start your dance, make sure your mind is also aligned with what you're going to do. So instead of chattering or instead of, thinking of something else, try and meditate. It helps. Because they say Indian classical dance is all about music, dance, drama. Along with it is spirituality. Spirituality can only be attained when you are together with yourself, isn't it? So here I am, almost to the end of my first pair of Ghungroo on my right. A little bow in there and tucked in properly. We're done. How many Ghungroos to wear? If you're a beginner, I would suggest go gradual. Don't just indulge into heavy Ghungroos because they look glamorous. No, that's not how we should go about. Check out the amount of weight that your ankles can take. If you're a young child who's just kind of starting and your ankles are not ready to take the weight of the Ghungroos, I would suggest go with 25. And then as your legs are stronger, increase the number. Now those who are beginning dance at a more mature level or age, you can indulge with more Ghungroos in each leg. But once again, the slower you go with the increase in the numbers of your bells, the better for you. Ghungroos reflect the rhythm pattern that you can create. They are almost like what a tabla player would be playing on his or her tabla. So, make sure that the sur of the Ghungroo is according to you as well. Now, how do you do that? Honestly, go to the specialist. Go to a shop and see for your own self which one kind of, connects with you more. Most of the times they are all same in tone and tune, but sometimes they can vary because the ball inside each Ghungroo is made out of a different metal. It could be iron, normally is iron, but sometimes I've seen some pairs with a different metal in it. So yeah, check it out for yourself, see what suits you, and then enjoy your journey. Almost there, and ready.